Good morning, all of you. My name is Deepak Deshmukh. I am a motivational speaker. And today I am talking about courage. Do you have courage? It's important to have knowledge, but it is also important to have enough courage to speak that knowledge, to utilize that knowledge whenever get times to use that knowledge. We have to use that knowledge wisely. There is nothing is impossible in this world. If you have the courage to do that things, you can do that thing. Whatever the mind of man can conceive and believe, it can achieve. Once great guys said that whatever we can believe and conceive, we can achieve. Don't criticize or condemn. That's you. You can do it. Believe yourself. Because if you are making your dreams come true, none can help you, none can support you. There is not a single way, but if you try to find a way, there is always one way to go there to your dreams. And also remember that don't quit, don't stop towards moving towards your dream. That is possible. Maybe you don't have support, you will don't have family support, friend support, money support, but you have to have big dreams. That is necessary, that is most necessary to live with purpose. That great purpose drives into action. This is the cause of to get up every day morning. This can done by only you can make it. This all the power that is you have. Swami Vivekananda said, all the powers in the universe, it is all the powers in the universe are already ours. It is we have put our hands before our eyes and cry that it is dark. Open your eyes and look at everything is miracle. If you looking that things there is not miracles, you will not get any miracle. But if you looking anything is there, everything is miracle happening with me, that will be happen with you. Yes, that is the mindset, that is the power of thinking. There is miracles. Don't do same thing every day. If you do same thing every day, you will get same thing every day. Same things. Not I am saying something. There is nothing for something. You have to do something for get something. You have to make it. You have to work for it. You have to effort for it. Get up every day and fill your body with energy to make your dreams come true. That is possible. They can achieve their success, they can their dreams. We can achieve our dreams. Let's invite our potentials. Let's do with passion. And remember one thing, it's very hard. It's very hard and it's worth it because it is a life changing for you. If you not doing anything, you can't get. You have to do for yourself. You have to do right thing for yourself. That is necessary. And I give guarantee if you are doing this that great things every single day, you can get it. None can lose you. You will be succeed. You will be rewarded. If your morning routine is great, and stronger to build your dreams come true. That is true. You can make difference. You are different guy in this world. You are greatest person ever born on this planet. Your fingerprints different, your face different, your skills different, your knowledge different, your walking style, speaking style, all things different. So proud to be you are different. I am a different. Proud self and grow yourself, develop yourself. Don't stop developing yourself. Don't stop growing yourself. Don't stop believing yourself. You can make it. Okay? Have a great day. Thank you.